think it's gonna be 91 though, Fahrenheit. And it's already 85? I don't know. That's what my car said. It's probably not. It's probably more like 80, but it will definitely be 85 by the time I finish this walk. It was 65 this morning, and I was kind of hoping we'd go out to brunch. I could throw a hoodie on in the Jeep and just enjoy the wind, but Danny said no. He and Sebastian are going out on a bike ride, and they're going out to like a wing place, so I don't think he wanted breakfast too, so I made breakfast for me and the kids. But I did just get a donut and an iced coffee. Today, I plan to braid. Still have my period. I was hoping it was over, but it's more like a normal person period and not a me period where it looks like somebody murdered me. So it keeps like stopping overnight. I have a hair on my arm and it's so itchy. Go away. So anyway, Sebastian wanted to stay home so I could go out and play before his bike ride, but I just saw him come in on the camera, so probably still nobody is available to play. Jax just doesn't want to touch grass today, so it's just me, and that's fine. I can walk by myself. I put a headphone in so I could start some music or something. I need to get into audiobooks or something like that. But I'm gonna eat this pumpkin donut. It's almost September, so we can start spooky season. Friends, I'm so tired. The sleepy stick hit me around 5 p.m. It was starting to get cool in here from the air conditioning, and I put on a big hoodie and got under my blanket, and I was just like, oh, I'm so cozy and sleepy. But we rallied, and when Danny's movie he was watching finished, I went down and we cooked dinner together. Finished around 7-ish, and we did dishes for a little while, and then I just got like 25 minutes in the bath, but Had to get out at 7:45 to start bedtime. Of course, Sebastian had to poo the second he came inside. So, got a little pause on that. But it's 8 o'clock now and school week tomorrow, Monday. We do have a 4-day week because it is the Labor Day weekend. And it looks like they get Friday and Monday off. So they'll go to school Monday through Thursday, have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday off, and then they'll go to school from Tuesday to Friday. Then after that they have, I believe, 3 straight weeks of school with no days off. They have a lot of days off in the beginning half of the year. It's ridiculous. When we homeschooled, we would start the same week the school did. I would usually start on a Monday because I scheduled all the classes Monday through Friday for Jax, so it was just easier for me to start. So we'd be a few days before them, but then I wouldn't take all these teacher work days and all the extra holidays that we didn't really need, so that we could take like some week-long breaks and still end at the end of April. We do our standards of learning tests at the end of April and be done. And summer started at the beginning of May. So I miss that. They go to school from August 22nd to June, I think it's around the 13th now this year. It was going to be the 16th, so Sebastian was going to still be in school for his birthday on the 14th. But they changed it to have some teacher work days. But yeah, tomorrow everybody's back to school. I have to grocery shop. I did get all the pieces of the dragon crocheted, so I'm going to be filming about that and putting them all together. And what?
You want my stuff in?
It should be done tomorrow.
When I get home?
I think so.
Both of them?
I don't know. It should be. It doesn't take that long to sew things together.
Should both of them already?
I have all the parts done, yeah. They're in a basket in there.
I'm gonna name one Doopy McDoopsing. No, Doopy McDoopface. And then I'm gonna name the other one. I don't know quite yet.
Maybe you have to meet him.
Drag it?
Drag it. Maybe.
That's a good name.
Yeah.
Especially for a dragon.
It's a dragon. I need you to be getting ready because you just took up 10 minutes of your time. Do you want to say goodnight? I think I'm good. I think we've talked. Good night, everyone. Stay safe. Be kind. And don't forget.